Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw a 3D rectangle text box in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to draw a 3D rectangle. Go to the Insert menu. Select the text box option and draw a rectangle text box. Then write anything. You can write any text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go back the home menu, increase the font size. You can applying the bold, italic or underline option. You can make the alignment. Now we go to the shape format menu, choose the shape effect and select the bevel option and add any bevel effect. Then go back again and go to the 3D rotation option and rotate the box 3D. Now we can see we draw a 3D rectangle text box easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.